Dr. Zakir Naik is an Indian Islamic preacher, public speaker, and writer known for his work in comparative religion. Below is a brief overview of his history. Early life full name, Zakir Abdul Karim Naik, date of birth, October 18, 1965. Place of birth, Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Education, Dr. Naik initially pursued a medical degree and graduated with an MBBS from the University of Mumbai. Career shift. Dr. Naik transitioned from practicing medicine to becoming an Islamic preacher in 1991. Inspired by Islamic scholar Ahmed Deedat, he began focusing on comparative religion, advocating for Islam and discussing various religious texts. Founder of IRF. In 1991, Dr. Naik established the Islamic Research Foundation, IRF, in Mumbai. The organization aimed to promote a better understanding of Islam and its teachings. The IRF conducted debates, lectures, and distributed religious content, gaining significant influence globally. Public speaking, Dr. Naik is renowned for his ability to memorize and reference scriptures from various religious texts, including the Quran, Bible, Bhagavad Gita, and others. He has delivered thousands of lectures worldwide, addressing topics like Islam and modern science, interfaith dialogue, and misconceptions about Islam. Notable events include debates and talks in countries such as India, Saudi Arabia, the UK, the USA, and Malaysia. Television and media. Dr. Naik founded Peace TV, a satellite television network dedicated to Islamic teachings and comparative religion. The channel broadcasts in multiple languages and reaches millions of viewers globally. Controversies. Dr. Naik has faced criticism and controversy for his views on topics such as terrorism, women's rights, and interfaith relations. In 2016, the Indian government accused him of promoting hate speech and fostering extremism, leading to the banning of IRF in India. Following these accusations, Dr. Naik left India and has since been residing in Malaysia, where he was granted permanent residency. Awards and recognition. Dr. Naik has received multiple awards for his work, including the prestigious King Faisal International Prize for Service to Islam in 2015.